Good afternoon. It is January 2025, and it's a Tuesday, and we are in the settlement hour. And settlement is 6986 even. Played out as planned from yesterday. We wanted to look at essentially discount. Discount also lined up with the low of New York from yesterday. Tagged it during London to a tick. Got a little bit under. Here's 7 o'clock. And then in the 8:30 hour, essentially what they do is take the low here, 7 a.m.'s low, go for previous day's high for 9:30. I got a little concerned here, so I went to the hourly and looked at the fair value gap here that was created on the hourly. Snagged it, lined up with open interest as well, and as you can see, this is the paper trade that I took there. Bada bing, bada boom, around 80 ticks, done for the day. Yeah, pretty much played out in the way that we really looked at it yesterday. I do want to talk about what we're always looking for every day, essentially. So what we're always looking for is a signature of change of state of delivery. So what happens is, let's just use this example here. We're in a bear run. We're looking for a key level to be tagged. We look for the first candle that tags it. We wait for a shift. And then after that shift, once we've confirmed that it's a shift, draw a fib. Discount, essentially. If we took this at discount, it would be under 40 ticks. So that's good risk. And then you go for the drawn liquidity that you're looking for, or whatever profit target you want to get out at. So it played out really well today. So that's pretty good. So if you were in the chat and you were following along, you were doing what you needed to do. I don't know if you were doing 0 DTEs of this discount, whatever it would be on SPY. I don't know if that tags and holds for you. But for futures, it's pretty much the deal. Another thing that they did was, let me go to 9:30 to 9:45 real quick. Here's 9:30. This is settlement. This is the previous day's settlement. Tags it to a tick as well. I saw that happening. I was like, oh, they're definitely gonna go up, aren't they? And then they do. From settlement to the drawn liquidity, which was the high, it's like 60 something ticks, and you get your 80 in this candle here. So pretty good stuff here. This is why we're still staying bullish for a little bit. However, we are concerned that now that we are in a deep premium, I'm looking to see if there's any surprise here. I still want to see all-time highs hit first, /7,000. I still want to see that hit. We're going to stay for this all-time highs, but we're looking out to see if this somehow turns into a bull run. But we're going to stay bullish in spite of that. I don't think it would be appropriate to look at the daily volume yet. This isn't added yet. The index isn't added yet. We'll probably know by the morning. If it changes within this hour for whatever reason, I'll call it out. But essentially, this should be the end of the week in terms of intraday trading, because I think we still officially have NFP on Friday. That should still be on the table. SPY's at all-time high, so there's that. Yeah, we'll see. We'll call out in the chat if there's anything, if there's a daily volume signal that we need to pay attention to. But for now, as of recording, no. Bitcoin. We were looking at this high yesterday. It got tagged, and now we're rejecting it. So let's see what we would like to hold. As you can see, these rolls are shoots, so no work here. This Friday open at around 88,000, 88.7. That's something we would like to see. This has already been tagged. Uh, and this fair value gap as well. That's probably not important. It's almost got the consummate encroachment of that, so we'll probably just wait for that. And then after that is this fair value gap here, lining up with this candle's added daily volume, and then obviously these lows here, this low here, this low here, and then back to the low here. But in general, this is really good buying opportunity. For Bitcoin, in theory, we just need to get past these highs here. This week open here is the delivery of this, so we need to just wait and see what they want to do. But yeah, good stuff today. We looked at discount for today. We got it to a tick. Then we got a bunch of trades there, a bunch of opportunities to get in bullish there. Let me just recap that one more time. This was discount here, essentially New York's low. Then this low. Then, as we said here, the settlement retag in between 9:30 and 9:45. Bloop bloop bloop. Good stuff. Yeah, we'll see how tomorrow plays out. Maybe or maybe not. No promises. I may or may not do a report tomorrow. It just depends on the price action tomorrow and if I care to even take on a position tomorrow. All right. You have a blessed day.